All right, folks, this is a Quantum Edge power chair. This power chair was used for about 3 or 4 months. It's still in pretty much new condition. It's a couple years old. It's a Quantum Edge power chair. This chair has the 6-inch seat lift. Okay, this is what the only thing this chair has is the 6-inch seat lift. Of course, it has a captain seat. This chair is practically new, but there is a little piece of tape right here. I'm not going to fix it. There's a little gouge right here. It was done in shipping. Someone hit it, so we put a little piece of black tape. I'm not fixing this. This chair is sold with this little piece of tape on here. I don't have time to fix it, so it'll be discounted a little bit because of that. But if you want the seat lift to go up on this chair, all you have to do is go through the joystick, hit the blue button until you see a picture of the seat coming up. When you see a picture of the seat, pull your joystick back, and your 6-inch seat lift will go up. So you're going to start at 22 inches. By the time you're all the way up, which is about here, you'll be at 28 inches. Now, when you're elevated, you'll be able to drive the chair. I'm too fast with my finger. You'll be able to drive the chair to reduce speed, okay? So you can see it still drives even though it's elevated. Okay? So we can look at the base of this chair. You can see how well constructed. This is the Quantum Edge base. This is the base they use on all the high-end quality, all the Pride mobility chair. This is their base. This is the one they use the most, okay? It has 14-inch solid tires. They're non-marking tires. 6-inch caster wheels in the front, 6-inch caster wheels in the back. We have an anchor point here, an anchor point here. You have 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. This is where you would secure your chair for transportation to your van or to your lift. This is where you would tie them down, okay? You can actually see the seat lift right here. You can actually see the seat lift is elevated right there. You can see the actual shaft. It's 2x2. Also with this chair, you can see right now it's in gear. So if I turn the power off, I can put this chair in neutral. There's a lever on both sides because you have a motor here for this wheel, and you have the same motor on the opposite side. But if I push that lever down, look what happens. Look how easy that is. Okay, so you can roll this chair around with one finger. Put it back up, and you're back in gear, okay? The reason you want the power off, when you do that, you don't want no resistance in the motor when you're pushing it. So that's how you would put it in neutral. I'm going to turn the power back on, and I'm going to bring the seat lift back down. Now this chair is equipped with a captain seat. What is a captain seat? A captain seat is when you have a high back with a headrest. Usually it's a captain seat, so I'm going to move the headrest a little higher so you can see. Also, a captain seat would have a lever here where you can adjust the tilt. This is as far back as it goes. And this seat right here would fold all the way down like this. So if you're transporting this chair, right here is about 31 inches. So that's your number, 31 inches right here, okay? So if you're going to ramp it inside your van, it's 31 inches. Seat. So this is a captain seat because you have the adjustable lever like you would have in a minivan. Okay. So I'm going to put it back in drive. The seat on this chair is 19 by 19. Let me double check that. It looks a little bigger. So the seat on this chair is 20 by 19. So it's 20 wide by 19 deep. You do have a safety belt. The joystick's on the right. If you're left-handed, we can put it on the left side. The arms do flip up, and they also go out if you need more width. And they also go, these arms also go up and down. There's an adjustment right here where my finger is with an Allen wrench, and you can go higher. You can have the arm as high as here or as low as here, okay? The suspension on this chair is fantastic. You can see the suspension in the front. There's 2 of this heavy-duty suspension. I don't know if I can show you. You can see the actual suspension at work right there. You have the same suspension in the back. This suspension is adjustable by turning this ring right here. Okay? You do have a pocket for your manual. You have a docking device if you need to put an oxygen tank or a basket. This chair has a foot plate that flips up when you exit the chair. So right now the foot plate is sitting all the way out forward, but it can be moved back 3 inches. There's 2 holes left here, so right now it's sitting right here. We could have it sitting closer to the seat. So it can be moved forward and up and down, okay? The batteries come out from the front. There's two latches here in the bottom, one here, one here. Squeeze them together, grab this pole, this foot plate in the front will come out and the two batteries will come out. There's two batteries, they're 55 amp batteries. They'll give you about 15 miles on a battery charge. Now you might get more, you might get less. It all depends the weight of the user, what kind of surface you're on. When you charge this chair, you'll take your charger, you'll plug it below the joystick, and as soon as the light goes from orange to green, the charger will stop charging. These are smart chargers. So let's recap. This is a Quantum Edge power chair with a 6-inch seat lift, captain seat, flip up arms, anchor point. It was used about 3 or 4 months. You can see the tires are still all brand new, just about. Flip up foot plate, great suspension, and you can see the back. You can see how clean it is. So if you're looking for a nice power chair that goes really fast, this chair will go 6 miles an hour outside, of course, and it will still drive with the seat elevated, and the seat is 20 by 19. If you just need a seat lift, this would be a really nice one, and it's ready to go. So this is a super smooth chair. 6 miles an hour is top speed, and when you let go of the joystick like this, it stops within a foot or two. It's got a built-in brake. So nice turning. I got it on fast right now, so if you were driving this on speed number 1, let me show you speed number 1. This is speed number 1, top speed. So if you need to learn at speed number 1, that'd be a good speed to learn at. I drive it on speed number 4 because everybody wants to see how fast they go, so I always do the video on speed 4. We're going to try to go in the grass with it. It's really a zippy chair. All right, let's go in the grass. No problem in the grass. My grass is all wet this morning. So if you have grass, it'll go in the grass, but your grass might be different than my grass. I have a good bottom here. The bottom is hard even though it rained. So if your grass is mushy and you have no bottom, it's not going to go. The wheels are going to spin. But this will go like baseball field, flea market, cut grass, no problem at all. So I'm going to raise the seat up right now to show you what it looks like with the seat elevated. Now I'm going to put it back in drive, so it'll be a reduced speed. So this is your top speed with the seat elevated. So in the kitchen, that'd be okay. So that's your top speed. So as I said, this one is the one that was used like 4 or 5 months at the most. It's got the 6-inch seat lift, the anchor point, the captain seat. It does have the little thing tear right there on the back. We put a piece of tape, so it'll be sold the way it is, the way you're seeing it today. And not a nice chair.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.